Okay, we're gonna take a quick look at the SurFlex screen recorder from Nambla Mine. Full disclosure, they approached me to take a look at this software. They are about to send me a license for testing purposes, and the opinions and everything you see on this video is absolutely my opinion, my view, and my use of it. Let's go ahead with the download first. It's 1.6 megabytes. Okay, it's already downloaded, and we're gonna open it really quick. Okay. And we're gonna hit just install. It's downloading the other components of the software. That's 139 megabytes, and it will install really quick. Record, edit, and share your on-screen brilliance. Brilliance is a big word for me, but on-screen stuff. Anyway, it's almost done now. Okay, we're gonna hit start now. Congratulations. And I already have a license number. I'm gonna allow it for public networks. Go to settings, advanced, and I'm gonna enter the license really quick that they gave me. Okay, activate. Yep, we're inside. You have successfully activated SurFlex screen record. Enjoy all the features. So now we have all the features, and from now on I'm going to show around the app first. This is where you would select the screen recording area. Let me just open full screen for you guys now. Okay, my full screen, and you have the corners you can grab, so you can record the entire screen or partial screen or whatnot. I'm gonna make mine full screen. For example, you can go here. Display 3 is this one right here. Display 1, display 2, display 4. Yep, they're all being selected good. I'm gonna stay on display 3, which are this one right here. And what else we have? We can select region if you want to. You go with a pointer like that and record, for example, only this region. That is really nice, actually. Really easy to use. On the region again, we did it. And fixed region, you can do 1920 by 1080p, which is my screen right here. You can go HD 720 or small file 540. We're gonna stay on that one. You can open the webcam. My webcam is showing the ceiling right now, but I'm gonna just open it real quick so you guys can see picture in picture, as you see. So yep, this is picture in picture right here. This is the camera. Hi, as you see, that is my hand. Yep, picture in picture works really good. And we're gonna grab the sound from a microphone really quick. Let me get rid of this first recording, and from now on the rest of this video will be recorded on this app really quick. But let me just show you that you can select different microphone system sounds. And these are the microphones I have connected right now. Elgato, SteelSeries, HD from the webcam, Samsung G-Track Pro, from a Arion webcam, and all that stuff. We're gonna connect directly to the G-Track Pro right now. Just give it a second. I'm gonna stop the other recording, and we're gonna probably play a quick game. And here you can record only audio as well if you want to. Here you can record only the webcam, as I told you. This is the web camera right here. It's not the best web camera you ever seen, but it is a web camera, and yes, it works screen on screen. And yes, you can change the resolution if your web camera has better resolution than this one. Yeah. It is really nice, actually. Audio, system sound, you can isolate the microphone. This is really nice. I'm liking this app so far. So let's go back to the recording screen with video in video, and we'll see you in the game. And now, as you see, we are recording in game, and the quality looks good. It's not taking many resources from the computer or anything, and I'm recording the audio right now with the microphone. And you should be able to hear the gameplay too. Yep, the radio is off, just in case of that juicy copyright stuff. And it's not really lowering the quality of the game or anything like that at all. We're just cruising through the city, and yes, right now I'm doing the full screen recorder.
Dude, only inches.
And it was only inches. Okay, so I think you get the point now that I like playing GTA 5. Yes, it is the only game probably that I still like to play. Well, probably Forza Horizon 2, so yeah, here goes that. Those two are inseparable in my eyes. If I were to choose one of them forever, probably would be GTA 5 for sure. Because I can drive one way here. By the way, that was the screen on screen, and you can change your camera to wherever you need it on the screen. You can put it where you wish it to be. And now really quick, I'm gonna close this one and record just a section of the screen really quick, just how that looks, for example. And now let's say you have these two windows and you bring this one right here. You do screen region. You can either do a set fixed region or you can select region like this. For example, I want to record just inside this website from there to right here. And if I hit record, you'll see that I'm actually recording only this region despite me actually seeing both sides, but you only see this side recorded region. Let me hit record really quick and see how that goes. And as you see, I am inside here, for example, but in reality, you're only seeing what I'm recording with a screen recorder, which will be right here. It's on your deck, and you can just go ahead. The screen is already pre-selected. If I minimize this, as you see, I have these red dotted lines, and here's where you would see how many minutes you've gone and all that stuff. And if you open again, boom, you're recording only this region. It cannot get any easier than this. Well, what are my overall opinions on it? It is pretty good, actually, it does exactly what it's supposed to do, and as I shown you already. And yes, the settings are right here that you can change the video size. You can do original quality, SD, HD. I leave it in original. You can record the output of the video, either MP4, MOV, FLV, MKV, or AVI. That's really good to have. You can change the languages. It has quite a lot of them. I'm going to leave mine in English. And as well, you can change the frame rate up to 60 or whatever your graphics card might have. You can mirror the camera. Mine, I just leave it as it is. And you can do GPU acceleration, which I have on mine. Or you can save an extra audio file besides the main file recording. That is, in my opinion, really good. Just in case you need that extra file to synchronize and do over, that's good. Audio format, for example, you can do MP3, AAC, WAV, OGG, WMA, or FLAC file. The bitrate can go up to 320 kilobits per second. That's a lot for audio. And the sample rate can be up to 48,000 hertz or 4.8 kilohertz. 48 kilohertz, sorry. That's actually a lot. 44 is where I stop. Is you really don't need more than that unless you're trying to do studio stuff. And as I told you, start and stop recording, CTRL+1, and you can assign different buttons, so you don't need to look and find and where it's at and where it's not. Pause and resume recording, CTRL+2, capture screenshots, CTRL+P. That's easy and nice actually, because you can do just quick and boom, you capture a screenshot. You can capture the mouse cursor, or if you don't want the cursor to show up on your screen recordings, especially if you're in a game, you can just turn it off right here. And you can do a countdown before recording. You can do either none, and it starts recording right away, or you can do it 5 seconds or 10 seconds. I'm gonna leave it none on mine because I don't really need to count down. And yeah, this is SurFlex Screen Recorder by NamblaMind. Really good, in my opinion. I really like. You have tech support, you can give feedback, you can check for updates, and you check what build this one is, version 205, and the build number right here. You have the video list right here, videos that we recorded already. So let me just open 1 or 2 or 5 of them really quick. For example, the one that I just showed you is right here. Yep, that's what we just recorded. And let me just play it really quick. So yeah, as you see, this is what I recorded. And as you see, I am inside here, but in reality, you're only seeing what I'm recording with a screen recorder. That is really nice. It recorded exactly only what we selected. Here would be the gameplay that we just did. And I'm gonna open it right here. Let me just skip around a little bit. Looks really good, actually. In the quality of the game, is I didn't have the game on the highest because I'm running right now on a 1660 Ti, so don't expect miracles or anything like that. But the recording doesn't have any glitches or any weird artifacts going on. And yes, right now, in my opinion, this is a really good software. Besides that, the audio is really good between me talking and the audio in the video. Let me mute the microphone right now that I'm doing the voiceover and let the video itself talk and do the sound. Probably that I still like to play. Well, probably Forza Horizon 2, so yeah, here goes that. Those two are inseparable in my eyes. If I were to choose one of them forever, probably would be GTA 5 for sure, because I can drive one way here. Boom! It's such a shame hitting that. And as you see, it does the screen recording really good. And in my opinion, this is really nice. And as you hear, the audio is really high quality, as good as your microphone is, of course. But there's no weird creaks and cracks through the audio at all. And in my opinion, it is really a nice software to have, not only if you're a gamer, but just in general, even a tech guy, like you show tutorials and all that stuff. It is really, really nice. And with that said, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll leave a link down below if you want to go take a look at it. And yes, as I said before, the opinions and everything that you saw here are 100% mine, not pushed or not guided by anybody else. And I'm gonna show you here just a bit of the audio recorded by SurFlex screen recorder. Just this one right here. We're gonna hit record with this microphone really quick, and you will hear the audio in your side, just how it sounds straight up from the microphone. It should be no difference from what I'm recording right now, but anyway, you'll see that recording in a second. And right now, I'm recording on the SurFlex screen recorder, and my voice should be coming out just normal, without any effects or filters or artifacts. And yeah, that's NAMBLA Mind, SurFlex screen recorder. And with that said, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you hit like and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Bye!